Hi, my name is Clayton Poff. I'm here to talk to you today specifically about greening of the federal facilities and those particular needs and what those needs are. In federal facilities, there's three main focus needs: safety, security, and then cost effectiveness. The key to that is reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM. Maybe not know exactly what RCM is, so let's just go to the manual and read directly from that. Reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM, is the optimal mix of reactive, time-based, condition-based, and proactive maintenance practices. And its three main drivers are reliability-centered maintenance, safety, security, and economics. Safety and security must be ensured at any cost, especially in federal facilities. Thereafter, the cost effectiveness becomes the criterion. And last, our operational requirements are defined by the mission criticality or other agency or business defined requirements. These things are site specific, so you need a team to go out there and assess. And what do they need to assess is basically this: the two things that do work in a building to accomplish the mission of why people come to that building are people and electricity. Energy cost reducer's mission is to increase the efficiency of those two criterion in every facility. And how do those solutions, now that we've discussed reliability-centered maintenance, how do those solutions come about in reality? Well, again, human beings and electricity. Well, people-wise, basically our HVAC systems. What technologies and what services and maintenance, and how do you assess HVAC systems in this manner? This is where ECR's expertise comes into play, and our capabilities through specific manufacturing and technologies of today, focused around indoor air quality, the power quality around the HVAC systems, and also some technology that's phenomenal on how to reduce the water usage. When it comes to electricity, again, power quality conditioning. Electricity is what does the work. The closer to load that you can condition the electricity to make it the most efficient so the work can be done, the better. So let's talk about from solutions to benefits. What does this really mean? It means increasing the efficiencies of that federal facility. Increasing those efficiencies is what makes a green federal facility. Now, safety, security, and then reduction of costs are our three main criterion. So in the safety, basically, how does efficiency in HVAC and electrical increase the safety? By creating a greater equipment reliability. Again, it's about mission criticality in a building, or the safety of that building, or the safety of the mission getting accomplished safely. And that falls into security. The security, again, this is federal facilities. Supporting the mission is what it's all about. How does every project support the mission and the reason why everybody's in that building? And then finally, reducing the costs and doing it in the most cost-effective manner. Again, this is where ECR, my past life as facility manager and as an electrician, this is what I come in to do, focused on your budget, focused on how to inject these types of benefits. We understand the needs of federal facility. We understand how to inject technologies based around reliability-centered maintenance. These are the solutions that we can provide, and provide very well. And the benefits to your federal agency will be provided for by a federal contractor. We've got plenty of past performance. We have the capabilities to inject it. So finally, to wrap this up, Clayton Poff, Energy Cost Reducers, please contact us. The information is on the screen.